Welcome to our video on unit testing with Jest. Unit testing is a crucial aspect of software development that ensures individual units of code are working as expected. It's like quality control, catching bugs and errors before they become major issues. Unit testing is essential for ensuring the reliability and maintainability of your code. It helps catch bugs early on, reducing the risk of downstream problems. Let's explore some key concepts in unit testing. We have test suites, test cases, and assertions. Now, let's compare Jest and Mocha. Both are popular testing frameworks for JavaScript. Let's dive into the basics of Jest. We'll cover test files, setup files after env and before each. Now that we've covered the basics, let's write our first unit test. We'll use Jest to verify a simple function. Let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid when unit testing. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when unit testing. Let's explore some advanced topics in Jest like mocking and snapshot testing. Now, let's cover the basics of Mocha. We'll explore test files, hooks, and assertions. Now that we've covered the basics of Mocha, let's write our first unit test. We'll use Mocha to verify a simple function. Let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid when unit testing with Mocha. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when unit testing with Mocha. Let's explore some advanced topics in Mocha like mocking and snapshot testing. Let's learn how to test async code using both Jest and Mocha. Let's learn how to test error handling using both Jest and Mocha. By now, you should have a solid understanding of unit testing concepts using both Jest and Mocha. Next steps include practicing with real-world projects and exploring more advanced topics. Thank you for watching our video on unit testing with Jest and Mocha. Remember to keep practicing, stay up to date with the latest best practices, and always prioritize code quality.